I'm Amy and welcome back to my crafty home. Well, Christmas is upon us and usually that means lots of gatherings, lots of food. And this season I came across a fun recipe called Oreo Truffles, and they are so cute and festive, and I want to show you all how I made them. They're so cute. Look at this, is a little ornament and a reindeer. They're super fun. This one's cute too. It just has some candy canes on them. Super easy. Let me show you this cute little recipe that I came across. Your family will love them. What you'll need is white chocolate, dark chocolate, some mini pretzels, Twizzlers, this is the pull-away ones, little M&Ms, cream cheese, mini Reese's, and of course your Oreos. Now what I chose to do is take the Oreos, cut them in half, and take out the middle. This is going to help me with grinding the Oreos nice and fine. Now, once that's done, you can combine the frosting and the cream cheese. This spoon definitely did not work for me. I needed a fork. Once I mixed it all up, I put it in the blender and the blender finished it up very nicely. Now, once that's all done, it's time for rolling out those balls. Make them as even as you can and roll as many as you can and put those in the freezer for about 20 to 25 minutes. Now, once you melt your chocolate, you're going to want to put a little hole in the top of your Reese's. I'll show you what I'll do with that in a moment. Take your ball and roll it into your melted chocolate. Then take some sprinkles, any sprinkles you have, and roll that into your beautiful ornament. Now it's time to grab that mini Reese's, put a little melted chocolate to seal it. Now put a little in that hole and get your pull-away Twizzlers. This is important. This makes the little loop for your ornament, just like that. Put a little chocolate on it, put it in the hole, and voila, you're done. Okay, it's time to make those cute little reindeers. You can get the little sugar eyeballs at the store like Stop and Shop, any kind of grocery store. You'll get your red M&M and get those mini pretzels, cut them in half. This is a little delicate at times, but you can stick the little broken pieces in for antlers. Look how cute, guys. You made a little reindeer. Now, if you have some extra candy canes, you can crush them up. You can put some of your truffles back into the chocolate, roll them around in some white and dark chocolate, and sprinkle some crushed candy cane right on the top. Once you're done, put them on a beautiful platter to display. They are sure to be a great conversation piece during your holiday gatherings. If you're new here and you like these videos, consider subscribing and we'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone!